Hi everyone, welcome to the Edison Public Library YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the library's Suggest to Purchase form so you can recommend books, movies, and TV shows that are not in our collection. Before submitting a request, please check the online library catalog to see if our library or another library in the Middlesex County Consortium owns a copy. Also, please request only titles published within the last year. You'll submit the Suggest to Purchase digitally through a form on our website. First, go to our website, edisonpubliclibrary.org. Once you're there, hover your mouse over the Services tab. Suggest to Purchase is the fifth option on the drop-down menu. In order for your request to be considered, you must be a patron of the Edison Library. Purchase decisions are made according to the library's selection criteria. Due to budget constraints and the library's collection development policy, not all recommendations will be purchased. To complete the form, you will need to fill in your name, email address, and library barcode. You'll also need to provide the title, author, and ISBN of the book. Please be sure to select the correct format of the item you're recommending. In addition to books and DVDs, you can also request audiobooks. Once you're ready to submit the request, click on Send, and you're done. A librarian will contact you via email once the decision has been made. If the library does purchase the requested item, you will be placed on hold for it and will receive an additional notification once it's arrived at the library for pickup. For further questions, please contact a librarian. Thank you.